Hi, welcome back. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. In today's video, I am talking about what is noun phrase, how to identify noun phrase in a sentence. Let's begin. So what is noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words which function as a noun in a sentence. Noun phrase is that group of words which function as a noun in a sentence. Words का वो ग्रुप जो कि एक सेंटेंस में एज अ नाउन काम कर सके उसको हम नाउन फ्रेज कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, look at the first sentence. Springtime is the most beautiful time. This is a sentence. Look at the words which was noun. So this group of word is functioning as a noun. Springtime is the most beautiful time. So these two words is functioning as a noun. So this is called noun phrase. Look at the second sentence. I expect our team to win. So in this sentence, these two words functioning as a noun. So this is noun phrase. I expect our team to win. Got it? Look at the third example. Beyond was a green and pleasant valley. In this sentence, this group of words is functioning as a noun. So this is noun phrase. If you have any question regarding noun phrase, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.